want me. Then about the life is on me. But they couldn't harm me. Even money don't go want me. Say God, me take it calmly. They don't like us straight. They took me and they got straight. They couldn't get it. They coming on fake. They locked me in a jail. I don't know them not in the jail. Me and my friend chosen we are man a sort of battlefield. Love can feel. Our time fresh wine we then stand still. Them want me sitting but me keep shirt and steel. So they put to glide over black and wheel. Over evil, good things must prevail. Come genuine, no matter we your fear feel. Oh God, I'm in dancing, you can't reveal. Why you know this on a whole plan feel? So in the army, a long time ago, go army. And about that time, this Tommy. You not go no army. That give them money, don't go army. The kind of it, that is calmly. What you read down, never man cannot. Oh, big they shot. We only win Lion of Judah, conquering. We are the Lord. We got antidote. Can quote 1 me calmly. He's the Gaga man. Yes, it is what it is. And this is how we're balling into this particular edition of Bet the Splash as the soldiers of the Most High King of Kings and Lord of Lords who made it possible for us to see this beautiful day. And as soldiers, 25% I perceive a butchery akitana see a chocho you have to go up. Yes, it is what it is. You know, in America, or developed worlds all over the world, at the end of the day, you have to go do somebody. When there's botalo, you have to go. If you know any advice, I say, sometimes you gym and all of that. But over in Africa, Nigeria most especially. Now, if one will like that, if I'm interested in the KBC, where with nearly where you to it is what it is. Yes, I know that sometimes, it's very hard to laugh because if you see what is going on in the news, sometimes, it doesn't give you that joy to laugh, at things like that. What is going on in the news most times can be depressing. But that's why we are here now. Bit this splash, Nepal at the 103.5 FM. When you get to hear all of that in the news here, Nepal at the 103.5 FM, we'll come back, to make it easy, to, make sense of it all. But that's because, amazing things happen every day. And that's when this is the spot where we get to talk about those amazing stuff that happen. At the same time, spot the imperialism before or Iberiberism because I go to Nototo Ayatago. Akoko Otipoju. Yes, this is how we ball into this particular edition of Bet the Splash Nepal at the 103.5 FM. Okwanumu Wakana Metal. We are in the building now. Because this party right here is your party. All you have to do is get involved. Send SMS or WhatsApp messages on 080-6579-6599. We name a number of the person you want to celebrate, and it is celebration galore up in here right about Kitafo.
Can they find a celebrator around you? We are here to celebrate with you, or birthday, or anniversary, wedding anniversary. Can they fall? But we are here to celebrate with you. Convocation, matriculation. Nena, I kind of here to celebrate with you. I promise that will be the first person, everyone I don't want to trade or 5FM will always be the first person to say congratulations. That's what we are here to do this morning. Oh, when nwoke so a woman will move out, faj a date on a date. You have to not know na restaurant na kugodo na eli nni na on a very good day. Mana this man no way as a feminist. Na support feminism. Na believe in equal rights between the man and a woman. Na elu ebe a na-eli nri na nwaanyị nwere ike ịkwụ ụgwọ. Ewetakwana na ife a eji wee kwụ ụgwọ ebe afa na-eli nri a. Nyanwa puchu enye the woman. Wee nwe atakwela sị, I'll pay for the next one. Now for the next one, just one guy. Oh. And luckily, the woman no where jikwa go on my phone and many so on a bossing bonisi on your hair, or the man did go on a very good day. Work out and myself, then I got out, and they make it on a habuz or Cambodia go. So the woman tia cannot be a will go now, who boy, Yotago, the waiter would go and now who go in with the ego. The man on another more sinner this thing may would here. Near brought part of this transaction, and because of that, Onalo the waiter the change or the woman. Go well solo, me hammer, Obulu, accounting, gone for a get wish as a back. Utu Akosi Adigodo this morning. A lot is happening. I will talk about it now. Kosi Adigodo. We have a lot of people to celebrate this morning, but right before, before we get into all of that, no Tutu Akosi Adigodo. A girl jello meet a boyfriend. They say I will see the boyfriend that she will die for him. The guy, they dumbfounded or male expecting I got where he far. Those bagwale or turn or he always pull or say thank you. You will wear the girl. The girl will say I'm going to go. You give me. I love you. I don't talk talk your own. The guy me pekwa on here put honorable, I will take a punch. I will not walk here to na mama finger na this matter. As I'm talking to you, to go that guy up on you now. Yes, we have a lot of people to celebrate this morning. Yotago. As today is the birthday of Christiana, Applegate, American actress, born November 25th, 1971 in Hollywood. And I say again, happy birthday. Yes, it is what it is. Today is also the birthday of Andrew Carnegie, American businessman and philanthropist. Born November 25th, 1835. We just have to celebrate that greatness because it is posthumous, but we have to celebrate him. Happy birthday. Yes, it is what it is. Today is also the birthday of the son of the former president of America, who goes by the name President John F. Kennedy Sr. Today is the birthday of John F. Kennedy Jr., born November 25th, 1960 in Washington, D.C. And I say again, for happy birthday. Yeah, so today is also the birthday of Amy Grant, American musician, born November 25th, 1960. And I say again, for Happy birthday. Yeah, so, we are celebrating. Get involved. Send SMS or WhatsApp messages on 080 6579 6599. Today is a great day in Spain as today is the birthday of Xavi Alonso, a Spanish footballer born November 25th, 1981. And I say again, Keta for happy birthday. Yes, oi hobokwa. Born 1981, November 25th, 1981, in a place called Dallas. And I say again, Ketafo, happy birthday. Yes, Barbara Bush, irrespective of her, level, she's an American healthcare activist and daughter of George W. Bush. Origoko said this morning, I am about to go to Nigeria Ketafo, I celebrated and celebrated this morning. As today, the 25th day of November 2024, is a great day. Makandi ki amota kanko kanna wagodoge. Yes, kind of mabatagodo na jakita for when working na the kind of text message and SMS or WhatsApp messages on and from girlfriend there and on a very good day. Na digodo go we ko na esi ade. Onye bia kwu okwu say na na ekene his girlfriend and nwunye at the same time. Onye obula na ekokodo na say ka isi kuze idifa. O se mba na okwu ofu onye ka na ekwu ifa. Na ofu onye okwu bụ nwunye bụrụkwa girlfriend at the same time. Yeah, this man na Kowana, the message on and water from Munye on a very good day. Now, sometimes no na the terms and conditions. No one buy a wakatazi oku, if August a page or buy another page. Buy another page. Na ajukasia a lot of things. Mana ni yenye wana ade mebo opota oji wan ti ni na type. Why don't only for na type? Man oti ye ko we for na type. You have to go. Otu a nwunye fụzie na type bago something ọ ka amụzie down ọ sị yes ngwa type ọ gwa m ife ilo n'ihe niile a na-ekwugodo so ya nọdụzizie nwa obele yọtago ọ dị ya ka ọ ka m go down o sendeli ya okay no ọkwa ife ọbụla ikwu anyị ga-emefe dị ya akụkọ otikpọju. Yes, enwe a young boy. Yotago onye Nigeria. Mana papia megiri ifefa, move to UK. Kahalu yabu UK, nisi onwe. The boy need to know na UK, need meet friends and all of that. And most times only webu ni do anokata papia boy afa. Chukwu Emeka ebe keno come here. Or be osem gwaje gote mi fene be nu. Anokatazie onye ocha. Yotago this boy meet ibu friend ebe a. Not at well, what you do. Say, okay, fam. Let me just tell you, let me tell you, fam. You big man, fam. You big man. You're a big man, fam. You're 11 years old, fam. Your father has got to stop this. Whenever we're playing, your father has got to stop this. Talk to your father. So this boy was here the team we would hear now on ocha nyanya na egwukwa egwu gwala ya. We say na elu papa ke kpọ gị oku again see na papa ke ije me like this. So tell aka papa ya lachakwa mkpu again. Chukwu Emeka ka ebe no ogbalukwa papa ya pụtazie ọ na-asị papa yotago. No na ge no tie ndị a na-ekwu. Papa ya isi na gị me. Osia, father, you have got to stop this, fam. You have to go. Can the boy in a queer you papier change go? Pigeon mean and if any ba hancha pussy fair. Hancha tore down and the boy warning. ị gara na ya tido nalie papa ga-egbukwa gị. A lot is happening. We'll talk about all of it. Go say adigodo n'ụtụtụ a. Mana na ya batagokwa na Naija ka I celebrate ndị ike na celebrate godo this morning. And the first person I get celebrated today was the former vice president of Nigeria, and you know the presidential candidate of the PDP during the 2023 presidential election. He was born November 25th, 1946, in a place called Adamawa State. That's why he is called the Waziri of Adamawa. He's a Nigerian politician, and he goes by the name Atiku Abubakar. Today is his birthday. I say again, happy birthday. Yes, it is what it is. Yes, today is also the birthday of Ida Peterside. He was born November 25th, 1974, in a place called Port Harcourt, a place some people call Port Harcourt. Yes, he is a Nigerian football player. And I say again,